Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog stairs and steps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the CertiPUR US Certified Foam Dog Steps. The CertiPUR US Certified Foam Dog Steps come with a soft and fuzzy surface. They are safe and quite comfortable for both smaller and larger breed dogs. In addition to this, the dog steps are created using CertiPUR US Certified Foam. The foam has a reputation for being sustainable and 100% natural. They don't have any toxins that could potentially harm your pup. It also has a soft fabric cover on the top. The fabric covers are available in 12 different colors and patterns. The dog steps are very stylish and will easily go with the rest of the decor in your home. They also deliver great traction for dogs that want to climb. Even dogs that have never used stairs before will definitely enjoy this one. The fabric cover can be removed and machine washed too. The CertiPUR US Certified Foam Dog Steps are quite sturdy. This makes them perfect for dogs of all sizes. Despite the sturdy nature, the dog steps are soft at the top of the foam. As a result, dogs with weak paws and joints can still use them. We also loved the stylish covers. The fabrics come in 12 different colors and patterns that can easily work with any decor at home. Moving on, at number 4, we have the PETMAKER Light 16 inches platform. As the name suggests, the PETMAKER Light 16 inches platform can be perfect for moving dogs around. So, if you are having trouble loading your dog into the car, these dog steps will take away all the hassle. There are different models available. Each has a different number of steps that range between 3 and 5. The product is foldable too for easy storage and transport. It is also average in size. However, it can be used by smaller and bigger sized dogs. Besides, the multiple steps on the loader make it perfect even for the most skittish dogs. It is the perfect way of loading your dog into the car without any risk of injury. The versatility of the PETMAKER Light 16 inches platform is definitely something worth noting. You can choose a 3-step, a 4-step, or a 5-step loader depending on the size of your dog. We also like the fact that it's a hassle-free product. It's very easy to use. You just extend the steps, allow your pup to jump into the car, fold it back, and store it for future use. This is the kind of convenience that every dog owner would love. At number 3, we have the ARF Pets Wood Dog Stairs. The ARF Pets Wood Dog Stairs is just convenient and stylish. It comes with a rich espresso finish that will accentuate the decor in your living room. The sturdy and strong construction ensures dogs of all sizes can jump and climb anytime. The stairs are also foldable. You can move or put it away in storage conveniently in case you run out of space. The dog steps will also come with safety side rails which add to the safety of the product. The ARF Pets Wood Dog Stairs don't need to be assembled either. Just find a nice little corner in the room and place them. The ARF Pets Wood Dog Stairs is probably one of the most stylish products in this list. It's just easy on the eye. We also loved the sturdy construction. The dog steps are adjustable and deliver enough flexibility for all types of dogs. At number 2, we have the Majestic Pet Portable Dog Stairs. These simple stairs are easily portable and can be used to help dogs into beds and other high places. The stairs are available in 6 fun and exciting colors that are embellished with additional patterns. This allows them to go well with the furnishing in any home. The stairs offer a cushioned surface too that takes the weight off your canine's feet as it lands. This leads to extra safety. These cushioned covers can be removed and washed too. The Majestic Pet Portable Pet Stairs are made in the US from upholstery-grade fabrics. As long as they are properly maintained, they can last for a very long time. The Majestic Pet Portable Pet Stairs are nice looking. The wide variety of colors and patterns ensures they are able to rhyme with furnishing in your living room. Safety too is quite good. The cushioned steps ensure the landing for dogs is as easy as possible. In case you are looking for a good pair of stairs for puppies, small dogs, or cats, we would highly recommend this one. And finally at number 1, we have the PETMAKER folding plastic dog stairs. Give your dog an easy way up to anything with these simple and high-quality dog stairs. These dog steps from PETMAKER are perfect for any kind of dog but are recommended for puppies, kittens, and senior animals that have lost some agility. Each step has a carpeted tread too for extra traction. The stairs can be folded for easy storage and transport. There is also a unique locking system. Once the stairs are assembled, the system keeps the dog steps in place all the time. This is an important safety feature that you won't find in many other designs out there. The safety of the PETMAKER folding plastic pet stairs is definitely one of its strong points. Each step in these stairs is carpeted for excellent traction. The side rails also ensure your pup can jump and climb without slipping. There is a locking mechanism that keeps the steps in place once they are assembled. We also loved the simple and foldable design that allows for easy storage and mobility. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.